armed robbers don't shoot one police officer and 3 bystanders. They talk say this one happened for Jamestown, Ghana. My Ghana people. Now wow, see things where they happen for there. They talk say this whole thing happened inside Accra for Timber Market area. Say these armed robbers, they trail them these people. It be like say they go carry one kind money from somebody's shop. So as they go. Now there then these armed robbers don't they monitor them. Say then these people there on top of it Okada. So as these people won't enter inside one market, say be like say one mechanic shop or be something there for that side. Now there then these armed robbers use speed. They go kill these people. Making a watch video of this man. Hey, and I don't see human being blood as it just be like say they just kill new goats fresh for grand. Ha! Now wow, human beings get mind. Say they even see plenty bullets on top of the windscreen. How come they wonder you will carry money? Plenty money for that matter. You can't enter this kind of motor, not be even bullion van. This one is just normal motor. Now this kind of motor, now you can't use enter say and you want to carry this kind of money. My people, why we say we know they use our brain like this? And they feel say maybe not be even big money. And then this armed robber now don't come, just come kill these people for nothing sake. And the one where they vex me, not be only this policeman they kill. Even the driver where they drive this motor, they say they should shoot him. But it be like say God dey on this man's side because this man never die. Then you get one woman where they say she be 40 years old woman. It be like say she dey near the place, she dey sell market for that side. So as this thing happen, now there this woman shout, she can't raise alarm. This woman was supposed to just run, jejely go hide for one place. Now there then this armed robber begin chase this woman, so they can't shoot this woman, kill this woman. Hey, thief! And if say na person catch thief, now go dey pity the thief, make them leave am. But see as thief no, they even get sympathy for human being. And I see as this thief never pity this woman. Now there this thief kill this woman. And the sales girl where they inside the motor, they talk say one sales girl there for the back of this one. In fact, this girl supposed go church, go kneel down, buy things, go do Thanksgiving because this girl never even die. They say they try to shoot this girl, but as God there on this girl's side, this bullet, in fact, one bullet no even touch this girl. Hey! This one shocked me. Me say this girl, the kind of God where they follow, now big God, now biggie God. This one really stand for her side because if not, this girl family, before don't they hear say this girl don't die, be something don't worry this. And Ghana police, you where they go this kind of operation, you know say won't go carry this kind of money. Why not even carry like securities or be other thing for front? Because I feel say the kind of money they go carry, if it be from one kind shop where be say they always operate on a regular, because sales girl they inside. So this one will be even bank money. Enough for at least carry securities will go follow now. Where they go hide this thing. The motor self, the one you know even be bulletproof motor. They shoot motor, the thing enter. When motor suppose they do a DSC, motor everything they enter inside the motor. Now wow, government have been a police people at least making they wise up small. This police now where they shoot, they talk say name now. Emmanuel Ose, and him be SWAT member for Ghana Police Service. See this fine, see as person fine with pink lips, so they just kill him just like that. He just die, just like that. And all this armed robber, this thing don't they over happen for Ghana because recently, now so armed robber, this same armed robber, they do on top of Okada. They go kill one 34 years old man. The same thing. What's it going to happen? Bless our Nigerian brothers. When I don't leave Nigeria, they enter Ghana. Because bless say now, this operation now, it don't do too much. Make people keep up all these Ghana police people, make they ready. Because this thing don't they over happen. It be like say that they get information, say, this person won't go carry this money for a bank. Now there, this amlo. They don't even use better. Okada will not be moto. Okada now they use, it means that they don't plan this whole thing well before they even come. And now this armed robber kill this police. They talk say this armed robber go carry him gun. Come carry the key, break the lock. That's where the money, they carry this money go. Now they I think can say this thing now set up work. It be like say somebody don't already inform them, say, okay, we they come this place, somebody won't come carry this kind of money, make an attack us. In fact, my mind they even go to that sales girl where on. Because this is where he say they shoot you where you no enter. You sure say no be plan something. Say you don't already go plan and with them, say, may they come ready now. But may they not kill you. Because you say go collect out of this money. That's why they see this whole matter. Because this kind thief every day, thief tomorrow. Wetin dey happen for Ghana? My Ghana people, wetin dey really happen? Because this thing don dey too much. Soon now, we no go even get peace. Una go dey there, una go hear say thief don come inside compound, dey do everything. Now, no be only money they go dey carry you, even you, human being, they go carry you. Because this thing now, it don't dey too alarming. And people don't dey come outside, they complain about this whole thing. As he said, they don't even they bring out police with squad, they don't hold things, they cover body. Gonna be about that one, no? No be about saying I go come show us picture saying and I don't bring out new police, they say they go dey come. No! Make una find them this thing before they do this thing, because if like say these people that they link this thing, they know their self. People where they do carry out this operation, they know their self wella. So maybe now if person go collect money, na go dey sure. Put security, put CCTV cameras everywhere. Because this one na plan work, na set up work. Whoever do this thing, he know this person. He know this businesswoman, know say this woman won't go carry this money by this time and by this, and he know where this woman they carry this money go. Because I'm not sure say thief go just they sit down, they wait for bank. I be somewhere say anybody will carry money come and I will come meet her. And make people dey on guard, make na dey careful. People where they carry big money, they waka. I don't know as I want to do. Na midnight, I go carry this money, go enter bank. I don't know as I want to do. Because now, thief, they don't they shy eye, they don't ready to get this money now by force. They won't do everything, every means to get this kind of money. This kind of matter, it shock me. Oh, my Ghana people, now they hear and be as they go. Now make me say make I bring and come. Oh. No be only Nigeria, bad news. Bad things if they happen for Ghana. This one na thief. Now don't they trend for this Ghana. I hear them. I can't make a bring and come for and making myself using an ear. Hear what thing they happen. But anything when I feel about this whole matter, making I not forget to write them for the comment section. Making I not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for the next video.